Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we're going to unravel the secrets behind effective maintenance in the mining industry. We'll be hearing from an industry expert about maintaining mining machines, the surprising relevance of airline maintenance strategies, and the crucial role of culture and safety in maintenance programs. We'll also explore emerging technologies that are transforming the way we approach maintenance. Now let me introduce our guest for today, Gerard Wood. Gerard is the managing director at Bluefield Asset Management and director of Relialytics. With his extensive background in mining equipment maintenance, Gerard has a wealth of knowledge to share with us. His career began in a mining town in central Queensland, where he earned while learning as an electrician at a mine. His journey from an electrician to roles like maintenance manager and eventually leading maintenance functions for BHP Billiton has given him a broad perspective on maintenance and reliability in the mining industry. Fascinatingly, Gerard draws comparisons between maintenance strategies in mining and those in the airline industry, where he found that despite less detailed approaches, the airline industry often achieves better results through simplicity and consistency across the board. Gerard underscores the importance of culture in improving maintenance programs. He shares a success story where a focus on team culture and ownership of equipment led to a mining fleet achieving 90% availability in just 6 months, a milestone never before reached in over 15 years at that site. Safety, a critical aspect of mining operations, also features prominently in our discussion. Gerard illustrates that reliability and safety are deeply intertwined. A strong safety culture not only prevents accidents, but also enhances equipment reliability. He shares a personal anecdote about the effect of daily safety discussions on his own driving behavior, demonstrating how consistent awareness can lead to safer practices. Switching gears to technology, Gerard is excited about advancements in condition monitoring and image recognition. These technologies have the potential to automate roles traditionally performed by humans, such as analyzing data to predict equipment failures before they occur, thus facilitating preemptive maintenance actions. Gerard also debunks some common misconceptions in the industry. He emphasizes that while planning and scheduling are key for efficient maintenance operations, they don't inherently improve equipment reliability. Instead, a culture of quality execution and care truly makes a difference in keeping machines reliable. If you're keen to connect with Gerard and learn more about his insights and experiences, he's active on LinkedIn and hosts the Bluefield 30 and 30 podcast. This platform is a valuable resource for anyone wishing to deepen their understanding of asset management and maintenance strategies. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the importance of culture and safety in maintenance programs, the role of emerging technologies, and the value of quality execution in maintaining equipment reliability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about UpKeep and our solutions for maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.